Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. I'm Prasad M, and today we're going to talk about a disk management. Have you heard it before? Maybe you are or not. By the way, now I'm going to show you how to split a hard drive into 2 or more partitions and how to merge existing partitions into one partition. So let's get into it. So you can see my current hard disk drive has only one partition, and now I want to make it into 2 partitions. To do this, I'm going to use Windows built-in tool called disk management. You may have heard about that before. First, I need to open it up to process to next step. So I'm going to press Windows key and X key, then you can see the menu that appears from Start menu, or you can simply right-click on Start button, then select Disk Management option, and give it a second to load. Now there is it. The disk that you're going to split should be basic type and make sure it has enough space that before and after the partition process. And another thing, you can only split or merge a disk partition if it says as primary partition. If not, like system reserved and recovery partition, those cannot be split or merge into another. Windows system has blocked it. Also need to mention, do not even try to delete or modify the recovery partition. If you do it, you will face endless automatic repair screen, or you may see BSOD, blue screen of death. Why I said it, you can find some resources from internet that are saying to delete this recovery partition. So I'm going to click those lists or the diagrams in the below of the application and right click on it. Now you can see a menu. Now I'm going to click shrink volume option. And this program will automatically querying the volume to check available space. You'll have to wait some time to finish this. It depends on your selected hard disk drive or solid-state drive. Now in this Windows, you need to enter the amount of space to shrink in MB. It says in megabytes. So for this, I choose 10 gigabytes as this space. But according to your requirements, it can be changed. Now, I need to calculate what is the exact values of 10 gigabytes in megabytes. I'm going to open up the calculator, and our 10 gigabytes multiplies by 1024 times. It says 10,240 megabytes. And I'm entering that value and click shrink. So what are you thinking? Is that it? Nope, never. After this process, you can see unallocated space in black color in our diagram. And this volume we cannot use. We need to convert it into simple volume. To do this, I'm going to right-click on our new unallocated space in the diagram and select New Simple Volume. Now you're entering a wizard. Click Next and select available maximum value from this numbering box, and again click Next. Now you may assign new letter for this new partition or keep it the default value and again click Next. Normally do not change the file system from NTFS. If you choose option, format the volume with the following settings. Why I say something like that? If you're planning to install another operating system in this newly created partition, you must choose NTFS. Some new hardware supports new file system called REFS. It will show in this menu if it's applicable to this. It is not necessary to format this partition, but I'm going to keep this way. And again, click Next and review your setting and click Finish. Now we're done creating our new partition, and it is ready to use. Normally, it's recommended to keep 3 or less number of partition per disk. Now in this part, I'll tell you how to merge 2 partitions into one. To do this, we need to delete one partition. So it's your choice to make sure the chosen partition does not contain any valuable data. Because we are about to delete a partition, that will erase everything on that selected partition. Select the partition and right-click on it. Click Delete Volume and click to Yes. And no, We are not done yet. We need to delete this partition also. Right-click again on that and select Delete Partition, and yes. Now again we have an unallocated space as we got before. Select the other partition that you need to merge into and also right-click on it. And click Extend Volume. Now you'll enter another wizard. Click Next and select Unallocated Volume. And select Maximum Value and again Next. And click Finish. Now we are done. In this video, I told you how to split a hard drive into 2 or more partitions and how to merge existing partitions into one partition. Make sure to follow each steps correctly. If you have any problems regarding about this, you may visit my blog page or join my Telegram discussion group. And make sure to send messages in English or Sinhala languages. If you find this video as useful, make sure to like it and subscribe my channel. And also share it as well. So that's it. See you in next video.